Welcome again, guys. Welcome to Ed MTB TV. Back again with another video. Beautiful. Cold. It's a cold January morning. Right. If you've been following my social media sites, I've been posting some videos of my new e-bike. So this is just going to be a bike check video, really. Going to show you what's about, what kind of things I've upgraded, and just have a look. Yeah. Here we are. This is my Marin Alpine Trail E2. I think this is 2022. Where to start? Where shall I start? Okay. Here we go. Handlebar. There you go. Grips. Hey. There you go. Pedals. Cranks. Chain ring. Yeah. Look. 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 Cassette. What else we got there? Derailleur. A wheel. In the wheel. A mud guard. Job done. Cheers. See you later. Anyway, jokes aside, here we are. It's a mixed wheel size, so we've got a 29 at the front and a 27.5 at the back. We start off with the wheels. So the wheels here is Assegai 29er at the front, tubeless ready, and the rims on both are Marin bike rims. They got their motto that they have there is Marin Bikes California, made for fun. So at the back 27.5, and the tire is, I believe, is a Minion DHR2. It's a 2.5 tire at the front and a 2.8 tire at the back. My gosh, that is a fat tire. Let's start with the cockpit. So we have the Shimano display. We got the standard Marin stem cap. And so basically, it actually had a race face effect handlebar standard. So I've got this fat bar 35, and I think it looks awesome. I normally ride 800mm handlebars, so this has gone down to 770mm, which I think feels a lot better. It feels I've got more control of it. So yeah, so that's that. It's got the SLX brakes, and to go along with the brakes, we've got the calipers. Sorry, this side. Got the calipers this side, which is a dual piston caliper at the front, and it's at the back there as well. I just can't get to it because of the wood of the fence. So what else we got here? SLX shifters there as well. So along with the shifters comes with the Dior XT derailleur. So we've got a chain ring. Not really sure what kind of chain ring that is. Anyway, it's got the Shimano cranks. I suppose they're more specifically for e-bikes. They've got the chain guard, E13 chain guard that came with it. So this bike came with the EP8 motor. Came with a coil, DXH2 Fox rear springs. Came with a Fusion dropper post, which I'm not too sure about that yet. I might change that in the future because when I took it out the other day, it keeps getting stuck. So I'm not sure whether if it's when I pulled it up that it's pulled on the cable and it's making it not work properly. So anyway, I don't know. So the forks is the Forks specified e-bike. It's a 38 Fox Performance Elite, which I think is absolutely awesome. The mud guard is from a hardtail, my orange hardtail. It's a Pro Guard RRP, which I think is awesome because it fits quite nicely on the back of the fork there. The seats, I've got my ergon seats, flat seats, just to see how they are, and they seem to be okay. So we've got ergon grips there and there. Pedals are the Bergtech pedals that came with the Yeti, so I took them off. So I'm gonna go with the purple look on this, but not quite purple yet because it's only really that. The cassette is an SLX cassette, 12 speed, and the hubs are Shimano hubs. The rotor size are 203s, I think, on both front and back. So yeah, absolutely awesome ride. I took it down to the Cannock a few days ago, and it felt really chilled. Just even going up that dreaded hill that we all know. It was just like sit back and relax. I was never out of breath, really. So anyway, at my age, having an e-bike, I think, feels a lot more, confident, because I actually suffer from cramps quite a bit, especially going uphill on a manual bike. So going up on this, it's absolute bliss. Anyway, I think that is it. Oh, one more thing to mention. I also got this rack guard to protect my frame. So it protects there and basically where the motor is there. So it's a full carbon fiber protector, and there's just a bit of Velcro to keep it in place, and it just basically fits in quite snugly. Very nice. So we all know, once getting an e-bike or a new bike, we want to keep it protected as much as we can. So I think that was a decent purchase. If you haven't done so, go to Rock Guards. Obviously, this video is not sponsored by Rock Guards at all. By all means, Rock Guards, give me a holler. Don't mind doing the reviews on your mud guards. So yeah, that is it. Anyway, guys, so thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Peace. Yeah.